Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can save an email message in Outlook as a PDF document instead of printing a hard copy or saving it as an Outlook email file. This can help with file management as PDF files can be highly compressed when archived. You can share PDF documents without worrying about the document being changed as you can secure them to ensure their exact appearance. A PDF file is also a more universally accepted file format. Most modern web browsers have built-in PDF readers. Outlook supports native PDF printing for its email by using the Microsoft Print to PDF option when choosing a printer. To save an email as a PDF document in Outlook, open your email message and click the File tab in the ribbon to open the Backstage view. At the left side of the Backstage view, click the Print command. To the right, under Printer, click the drop-down and select the Microsoft Print to PDF option from the drop-down menu. Click the Print button to open the Save Print Output As dialog box. Navigate into the folder within which to save the document and type a name for your PDF into the file name field. Then click the Save button to save your Outlook email as a PDF document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.